Hello everyone, today I'm sharing another video of cleaning your employee data with ChatGPT, and this time is about when there's a different tax format for a single cell value. How do you replace and make your tax value consistent with ChatGPT? So this time, let's look into the business scenario where we might need to do this function. This time, we have the employee, especially to clean up, and we need to calculate how many employees are within each department. So in Excel, it's a very easy task. You just use a pivot table and then you count the employee ID. However, if your data messy, like for example, your department names, sometimes it's because that people who input the department name in the system might not have a standard format. So sometimes, for example, for the same research and development department, some just use the logo versus some use the tags. And maybe, for example, for supply chain departments, some use the hyphen, some don't. So in reality, you know that all those people should belong into one department, but if you don't clean up the tags, then your head count is basically messed up. So we want to leverage ChatGPT to help us to find those tags quickly and then clean them up. Now let's see how our old friend ChatGPT can help us. So here is the instruction I'm going to give them. It's getting a little more natural language as I do try to see if ChatGPT has the ability to solve more complex instructions. So here it says, create VBA code that finds tags, research and development, and replace to research and development. Then find tags supply hyphen chain and replace to supply chains in column D, which is our department, and in sheet employee records. And this way, I don't have to change and customize my sheet name every time when I copy and paste my VBA code. So now let's run it. Okay, now let's copy our code and go back to Excel and Developer tab, View Code, and paste our code. Let's see if it makes sense. So first, replace the string this to this. Looks fine. It's already set the workbook name, so that's great. I don't have to rename it like before. And then I also find the last row, and then the range to search is column D, and D1 to the last row. That's fine. And replace, let's see what the code says, replace to perform the first replace and then perform the second replacement. Looks right. Okay, let me save it and let me run the code. Okay, so now when you look at your department, you can see that first for research and development, you only have research and development, and for supply chain, you miss the hyphen is gone. So now when you refresh your pivot table, you will find that your pivot table is cleaned up and your head count is now cleaned up and ready to use for each of the department that you have. Okay, so that's everything I want to share with you today. I hope that you find it helpful. If you want to watch more videos on VBA setup or coding with ChatGPT, I do have 2 playlists linked down below for you to access more information. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.